easy, spool. Listen, speak, read, and write. A complete e-school project. Watch, listen, and speak. Bulbul. Cock. Cock means murga. Crow. Crow means kowa.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm
Cuckoo.
such a disgrace.
Cuckoo
I never
means
really asked to
koyal.
be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay.
Dove.
Okay,
Dove
okay,
means
maybe you could
panduk.
be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Duck. Duck means battak. Eagle. Eagle means Garud. Hawk. Hawk means Baaj. Hen. Hen means Murgi.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know
Hummingbird.
I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's
Kite.
wrong and why
Kite
you
means
never said
cheel.
you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ostrich. Ostrich means Suturmurg.
As you fade away.
Owl. Owl means Ullu. Parrot. Parrot means Tota. Peacock. Peacock means Moor. Penguin. Penguin means penguin. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Seagull. Seagull means samudri pakshi. Sparrow. Sparrow means Goraya. Swan. Swan means Hans. vulture.
Yeah, I'm about to fade
Vulture
away.
means
'Cause
gidd.
every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up
Woodpecker.
in my brain. All of a
Woodpecker
sudden I
means
don't look at
कठफोड़वा.
everything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be